This is a box of refrigerated, and you can check white. Also, we can customize with the logo anywhere you need. And about the lock, this is the lever lock, and you can see that and when you open it, the thickness of the box is about 75, and the inner space, I mean the volume, is about 2,000 liters, and the temperature for this is about -25 to 0 degrees. And about this one, we put the stainless steel into this to avoid when you use it for a long time and there's something get damaged. And for this box, we have 3 doors. This is the back door, and this is the side door. The lock is different. You can see that. This is very easy to open it, and that is not easy to open it, but it's for to protect them units. What about the refrigeration units? And check this. This is the back mounted, and also we can put it anywhere it needs, like the top mounted, back mounted, or this is the front mounted. And check this. This is the fan. This is fan, and the blue one, the blue panel is this for the power panel, and this is the defrosting way, and this is the controller. We have the paper to help you how to control all things, and this place designed for our customer to put the batteries into it, and basically the whole box for this box is a customized box, and this is for when you have a van and you want to put everything into the van and you don't want to modify your financial. This on the best. That's it. So this is it. If you need more information, just contact us.